Good morning students. Today I will show you how to make paper folder. Okay, that is very useful to you. Means you can keep your papers, personal papers also. And for that I will use some chart paper. I have the paper waste paper, so I am using that paper. And now I will show how to make it scissor also and glue also. Okay, now we will start our paper folder. Take a A4 size paper, and you all know how to make a fan. So I am making a fan. First of all, make a fan. This is for one side. This you have to do for the two sides. Okay. Got it? So you have to do like this. Okay, have you got it? Now how many shells are there? So 1 2 3 4. Here also 1 2 3 4. Now take the paper in a rectangle shapes. Okay, and place it like this. Put a glue. Okay. Again, for the second side, put a glue. Take the second paper. Same, take the third paper also. This is waste paper. You can use a waste paper also if you want the proper thing. So you can buy a chart paper, A4 size chart paper also. Okay, this is extra. You can keep it. How many shells you want, and that's much you can do it. One more I will keep it for the last. This one side you have completed. Okay. Now for the same you have to do for the other also. See. Okay. Now turn it like this, and place the other side also. Have you got it? Okay. Now take a chart paper, place this inside, so it will look more beautiful. Okay, and stick it to for outer cover. You can cover for yourself. You can decorate yourself how you want. Now so you will get like this. Now I will stick this paper from the both the sides. Same your side also. Okay, now this is not the last. Now one more thing I will show you for the cover, how to cover it. Make a chart paper block like this. You can make a leaves, or you can make a square and flowers also. Okay, I had made this. Now see, I have took this paper for the coloring, A4 size paper. And fold it half. Rest the remaining side you can cut it. It is very important craft for your paper, school paper, personal papers. Okay. I will cut the remaining sides. You are getting it now? Now I will stick the half of the side. Okay, half your side and half that side. So now I will stick this half side. See, you have to stick it like this. Now place it. Now I will give the little bit slightly shape. So it will look more better. Now I will make a lock for this, and for this you have to take a measurement. In the center, okay? Take little bit up. Make a box shape. So you can remove it easily and cut it from your side. Then you have to stick it like this. Okay, this is your lock. Let it be. Okay, now we have ready our paper folder. This is the lock. You can keep the lock like this. If you want to decorate, you can decorate yourself like this. Okay, now I will remove it. See, you will remove like this your lock, and you can use the papers like this, and you can keep anything inside it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have the shells to keep it. I am keeping some papers. Is it good? Now I want that you should make and show to me. If any difficulties, you can ask me again. See, I am keeping my papers like this. See, I have placed my papers. One more paper, I am keeping it. Okay. I want to place this charts paper so it will be safe. You can keep anything. Now when you go exam papers, your resumes, your biodata, you can keep, and you can go to the office also. This is your handmade craft, and this is the lock. Decorations you can do by yourself. If you want to stick pearls, if you want to stick bindis, if you want to decorate anything, you can decorate. This is the file folders, paper file folder. Thank you very much.